What's going on, guys? So this is my Yz125. I recently bought this thing for 600 bucks, which I think is a pretty solid deal, considering I used to buy and sell these things and sell them for like 2,500 bucks. I got it for a good deal, but I mean, I can't find neutral. Stuck in gears. I just drained the little bit of oil it had. Yeah, let's try to find out why I won't go into gear. I mean, neutral. Let's disassemble the clutch cover. Normally what happens is they go low on oil, which this had none, and the clutch basket gets grooves in it and it gets stuck in gears, so I won't be able to go to neutral. Hopefully that's the case, and I can start this puppy up and go riding. I know this is all fucking broken, so I need a new cover. What's going on here? I'm a little rusty. I haven't took these apart in years, like 2-3 years. Hopefully I can get it. I gotta lie, I've been dying to get back on these bikes. It used to be so much fun.